Hey guys, what's up? In the short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you a simple trick how you can shuffle the order of a list randomly on Microsoft Excel. So let us get started right away. So as you can see, I created a list like that here with these names or items. So to shuffle the order of these items or names here really quickly, guys, all you need to do is left click or select the cell here to the left next to the uppermost item and type in the command equals RAND parenthesis and press enter. That is going to give that cell that a random number here. So what you want to do after that, guys, is simply apply that step to the remaining cells of your list. And you may do that by simply applying the autofill feature. To do that, simply left click and hold on that small icon here in the bottom right corner of that cell. Hold your left mouse and drag it here to the lowermost cell of your list, just like that, to apply the autofill feature. Now, as you can see, all of these cells have been given a random number, just like that. So what you want to do, guys, is mark your entire graph, including the column with your random numbers, as well as the column with your items or names, just like that. And simply head over to sort and filter here in the top right corner. And from that drop down menu, select sort from lowest to highest or from highest to lowest. It's totally up to you. And there you go. Now your items have been shuffled. In the last step, simply delete the column with the series of random numbers, or alternatively simply clear the content of that column. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.